Yo, how's it going, guys? Cesarvicious coming to you, top leader in IM Academy and top leader of Legacy. So guys, what is Forex? We're gonna get straight into it. So that's the foreign exchange. Understand that in this world, there's countries, right? In these countries, there is currencies. So as you see right here, this is the value of the currencies going up and down every single day. So I'm gonna give you a prime example. You go to Mexico, and it's valued $1 equivalent to about 20 pesos. Say you go out there for about a month, you have 20 pesos, you don't spend nothing. Say Joe takes care of you. He's like, bro, I got you. You don't got to waste no money. Then you come back a month after to the US. But now instead of being $1 equivalent to 20 pesos, say for example, it goes $1 to 10 pesos. So now, since you have 20 pesos, you're going to get $2 back. It doesn't sound impressive, but imagine if you go out there for a month and you take like $10,000. Now you're coming back with an extra $10,000. So you just multiplied your money just by going at the right time. So it's a $6.6 trillion per day market. That's how much money is flowing in the market every single day. So before anything, I actually want to show you an example of how the charts look, right? So this is a chart. As you can see, it goes up and it goes down. So how can you make money? You either buy low and you sell high. So you buy down here, goes up, you make money. Sell up here, goes down, you make money. So now, how can you identify when to get in, whether a buy or sell? It's all patterns, guys. Understand that us as humans, we run in patterns. And I'm going to be completely honest, you could actually search this up. The biggest financial traders, the biggest people, the biggest participants in Forex are banks. Go to Wikipedia and search it up. It's JP Morgan. They hold 10% of the market, right? So basically what I'm trying to say is it works in patterns, just like us humans, because who works JP Morgan? Who runs JP Morgan? Humans, right? So it's all patterns. Once you're able to identify these patterns, you're going to find yourself in a very profitable situation, right? So now the education, again, like I said, education could change your situation. We're going to tap into the academy. So this is an academy set up by expert traders, very successful traders. Understand that it's from the basics all the way to advanced. So it was meant for people just like you, just like me when I first got started, had no idea what trading was. All this is pre-recorded. You do this around your schedule. Then we're going to go into go live, right? These are live sessions with expert traders. It's like learning how to play basketball from LeBron James. So you are learning how to trade Forex from the most successful entrepreneurs, the most successful traders in the world. So you want to plug in. Cool thing about it, you could actually chat with them. You could ask them like, hey, why are you looking at this pair? Hey, I'm brand new. Could you help me out? And their job is to answer all your questions. Then we're going to go into something called the Gold Cup, right? Gold Cup product. This is something that an expert trader is literally watching one currency, which is the gold currency, whether it's going up and down, and it's going to send you push notifications to your phone, whether he thinks it's going to go up in price or down in price. So while you're learning how to trade through the academy, you can actually make money as well. Next, we're going to have Harmonic Scanner. To be honest, guys, that's the reason why I signed up. The Harmonic Scanner is something that's a robot. It's artificial intelligence, and all it's doing, like I mentioned, it's all patterns. So what this robot is doing for you while you're at work, whether you're going to school, whatever it is, it's picking up these patterns and it's going to give you 3 very powerful numbers, right? Something called a stop loss, an entry, and a take profit. So a stop loss is to avoid you losing a lot of money, right? A stop loss is just your safety net. Then we're going to go into the take profit. That's basically securing the bag. If you want to make $200, whenever it hits 200, it'll pull you out the trade with $200, so you won't either make more money or lose more money, right? So next, the main question is, how do you get started? Very, very simple, guys. Just like anything else, there is tuition. It takes money to make money, right? Universities charge you a lot of money to learn a skill set. So we also have a tuition of only $235. It's only $235 to change your whole life by learning the skill set, right? So $235 grants you access to the educational platform, and also to keep it active, it's $174 a month, right? But good news, just like any university, we have a scholarship program which anyone qualifies. I want you to understand that technology is taking over. The new ways of marketing are word of mouth marketing, right? You invite your friends, you get $5 off, just like Uber, whatever it is, right? All these new apps, all these new companies are adapting to word of mouth marketing, right? So this is what the company did. If you invite 2 friends, you no longer have to pay that subscription, right? Now we're going to tap into the business side, right? You could actually launch an online business with trading. So the first rank is going to be Platinum 150. You have 3 customers in your business. Now the company is paying you $150 a month, which is $37.50 a week, right? The next level is Platinum 600. That's when you have 12 customers in your organization, and this is how you do it. You get your 3 friends and you show them how to get their 3 friends. So now you're at 12 people. By the way, you don't have to get all 12 people by yourself. Like I mentioned, it's everyone working together. You help your 3 friends hit the first rank of Platinum 150, you're automatically a Platinum 600, right? So now you're making an extra $600 a month, which is $150 a week, right? The next level is going to be Platinum 1000. Now you're making an extra $1,000 a month, which is $250 a week. That's 30 people all together. Guys, all we're doing is changing lives. All we're doing is sharing a blessing. We're getting paid to get other people paid, right? So next, we're going to show you the full breakdown of the whole compensation plan. You can look at the numbers, right? It goes by weekly checks. Look at the weekly checks. And honestly, how I saw it, I was like, okay, what level is going to change my situation? What level is going to help me quit my job? Guys, I quit my job 3 years ago doing this by learning how to trade, by building an online business. And this is exactly what we do. So with that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. That is the information that is going to change your situation. So get back to the person that invited you to this video. And I can't wait to see you on the team. Let's run it. Talk to you all soon.